Around the loop from Cad West, you get a fantastic view. Planes will come from the right and right through that valley, come from the right through that valley, straight towards us, and then straight across the front of me, and then all the way down there, and then they'll turn left towards Cad West and Cad East. So that's where I am today. Got my mate with me again, Biggie's with us, so we got our fingers crossed. Hopefully we'll see something, and if I do, I'll upload it to the channel later. Please subscribe, and hope you like the videos. Thank you.